Hello, everybody. I trust we all had a good morning. I'd like to take a second to thank you all for taking time out of your busy day to allow me to present on behalf of Segno Marketing. Today we're going to cover today's marketing technologies. My name is Eric Rodriguez and I'll be your presenter today. Today we'll be covering 6 different topics along with a resources section that can be sent as an image file at the end of the presentation via email at your request. The presentation will be a closed recording with any questions you may have to be answered at the end of the presentation. Okay, let's get started and jump right into the first topic. QR codes. What are QR codes? At its most basic, a QR code is a barcode on steroids. What are QR codes used for? They're used for encoding information in a two-dimensional space, like in the pages of magazines, in advertisements, and even on TV and websites. QR codes are tailor-made for quickly and easily linking content on smartphones. So what do QR codes link to? Simple uses include linking to an installation instruction, directions to your business, valuable coupons and special offers, recommendations for complimentary products and services, customer feedback forms, the process of hiring your professional services, and etc. Where can QR codes be used? The most common locations include the back and front of your business card, your brochures and other marketing materials, promotional items, printed marketing pieces, the sides of trucks and trailers, product tags and packaging, convention and event name tags, restaurant menus, event ticket stubs, point-of-sale receipts, and etc. Look for the best way to maximize your effectiveness with QR codes. Provide explanations about their use and benefits, such as encouraging actions that support your marketing plan, give reasons to come back, study your analytics, and make the process fun for your customers. Deliver an extension of your brand by visually stretching your QR code as far as technology will take you. Experiment with the size, the location, and the color. This will enhance the lasting effect of your marketing piece. QR codes are able to be edited by graphic professionals to make the code an extension of your brand with coloring and logos, thus allowing your company to have the lasting effect with potential or current clients. The first step you will need to take is to generate your code. There are many programs and/or apps out there, but the key is finding the right one for your needs. Some things to look for when choosing a QR code generator are whether it can track and analyze performance, if it allows you to design a code that is unique to your brand, and if it is compatible with common QR code readers. Although there are many options out there, here are 3 to consider checking out. Kaiwa. With Kaiwa you can customize your design for free, and the paid version allows you to track performance. The codes can link to web pages, text, phone numbers, or SMS. GoQR.me. Also free with an option for paid premium services. This generator allows you to read to text, URL, phone number, SMS, or vCard. Microsoft Tag. The cool thing about Microsoft Tag versus any other generators is the ability to have a color QR code rather than just black and white. It's also free for all services, including limited analysis of people viewing and going to the tagged item. Before processing your code for printing, you will want to test and read your QR code. In all the excitement of creating your first QR code, don't forget to see if the QR code actually reads correctly. And be sure to try more than just one reader. There are a number of apps in the iPhone App Store that can read QR codes, including the free QR reader. Most Android phones and Blackberries are able to read the codes right out of the box, as can newer Nokia headsets. Windows mobile users can download Quick Marks. All you need to do is launch the appropriate app and point your phone's camera at the QR code you want to scan. QR codes are only bound to become more common in the coming months and years. We're increasingly reliant on our mobile devices, and typing out URLs or any other data on their tiny keyboards is still not very efficient. vCard. What are vCards? It's the abbreviation for Virtual Business Card, the standard for creating and sharing contact information over the internet. You can send a contact to another person by forwarding it in a vCard format and/or integrating it into a QR code. A recipient can import and/or scan the information directly into the address book of his or her email, CRM program, and/or phone contacts. Email campaigns. What is email campaigning? It's the easy, effective, and affordable way to keep your audience coming back. Email marketing helps you keep customers and prospects coming back by using attractive, professional-looking email communications to stay in regular touch with them and build strong customer relationships. It's better and more effective than regular email. You can boost customer communication with email newsletters that are fast, inexpensive to create, and can be sent more regularly than paper ones. Email marketing puts you in customers' inboxes more accurately than regular email, so you'll avoid spam filters and be seen by more people. You'll stay on top of the mind with people who want to hear from you. Talk to your customers with targeting. Would you like to increase the impact of your email newsletters? Segment your database and create smaller customer lists based on their interests. Then send more relevant and targeted messages to them. They'll be more likely to respond and more likely to act on your emails. This will allow for options to obtain more referrals easily. Email newsletters are easy to forward to other people, so your loyal customers can give to their friends, which equals new prospects for you, for a risk-free peek at your business or organization. It's easy for these prospects to sign up for your mailing list when you put a Join My Mailing List button on your website and or through your regular communication. You'll turn those interested prospects into additional loyal customers. Email campaigns often get immediate response and action. It's quick to send emails, and it's quick to see results with real-time reports. You can even schedule email delivery for when your audience is most likely to check email, so you'll increase the likelihood that they'll read it and take action. With real-time reports, you can track who reads and responds. It is valuable to see who opens your emails, who forwarded them to friends, and even who you need to resend them to. You can also tell who clicked on which links in the emails, allowing you to understand what people are interested in reading about, and tailor your content to get the best response and the most business. What are the common do's and don'ts of email campaigning? Let's start with the do's. Prominently display unsubscribe info at the top of each message. If you have a clean list, you should not be afraid of people unsubscribing, and it's best to make it easy for someone to unsubscribe. They should not have to search for the means to do so. Stay on topic. Pick a narrow topic and stick to it. Maybe you're a landscaper offering tips for homeowners to keep their lawns healthy. Perhaps you're a tax accountant offering tips for reducing taxes. Whatever your topic, stick to it, as your subscribers read your e-zine for that specific reason. Straying off topic will cause people to unsubscribe. Make sure your content is interesting and has value to your readers. People will not read your communications if they don't perceive a return on an investment of their time. Keep your content fresh and interesting to deliver value on a regular basis. Keep it brief. Everybody's time is poor. Don't stretch out a 60-word blub into 300 words to impress your readers. Condense as much as possible. If you have trouble with this, hire a good editor to do it for you. Use an email service, such as Constant Contact. Such email services are cleared for delivery throughout the email system and typically do a pretty good job of making it through spam filters. They also have templates and other tools to make it easy for you to create, send, and track your messages. Create a regular delivery schedule and stick to it. People are creatures of habit, and they'll find comfort in predictability and regularity. You can help build anticipation by delivering your content on a regular schedule. Now the don'ts. Don't be a spammer. All unsolicited email is spam, no matter how valuable you perceive your message to be. If your recipients didn't give you permission to send a message to them, you're a spammer. Don't disguise or hide list sign up by bundling it with anything else. This includes email communication, contact form submission, or help requests from your website. Make sure that subscribers understand and give you permission to add them to your list. Try not to buy a list. Build your own email list of people who actually want to receive your information. Paid email lists are full of addresses pulled down from websites compiled from random sources, and the recipients generally do not want your message. On the contrary, they are commonly annoyed that you are bothering them. Remember this, a clean list of people who sign up to receive your information is more valuable in actually having a higher rate of becoming customers one day. Don't subscribe anybody unless they give you express permission to do so. This includes business cards you collect, people who contact you via your website, people you are connected to via social media, and people you meet. Simply knowing someone or introducing yourself to them is not permission to email them information that they have not agreed to receive. Don't make it difficult to unsubscribe. There should always be an easy way to unsubscribe to your email campaigns, making sure you have a visible link that allows your user to opt out without any further hassle. Be respectful of the list members and their requests. Don't use Outlook or any other personal email system. Sending your email blast from Outlook is a kiss of death. It screams unprofessional and will likely get you blacklisted, thereby preventing you from sending any email out of your ISP at all. Don't let the recipients see each other's email addresses. This is another common Outlook email blunder. Using a professional email service prevents all recipients from seeing everybody on that list, and it protects the integrity of the list and the privacy of its recipients. Pearls. What exactly is a .complete Pearl web page? A .complete Pearl web page is a dynamically created web page designed to speak directly to your prospect or customer on a personal level. Individual page components can be customized for the particular reader. You can refer to your prospect by name, you can include a personal image, you can reference relevant products, and etc. And because in most cases, the personalized web address that contains the prospect's own name, the pearls get noticed, get visited, and get results. Your prospect feels as if you are speaking directly to them, because you are. How is a pearl different from a membership site? A pearl is not a membership site at all. A pearl is a tool that is used to boost your direct mail response rates. By using digital technology, a Pearl campaign allows you to offer a personalized, customized web address and web page for every prospect name on your mailing list. There is no need for usernames or passwords like you'd have with a membership site. Instead, your prospect is taken directly to his very own personalized web page by simply typing in his own name, such as www.yourwebsite.com/John Doe. By incorporating pearls into your direct mail marketing, rather than sending your prospect to the same old generic web page that you send every other prospect to, you can send him to a completely customized page that is personalized just for him. And better yet, the personalized URL web address contains his or her own name. People respond to their own names. In fact, medical studies have proven that the human brain actually reacts differently when a person hears his or her own name. Now, we're not doctors, and we're not going to even pretend to understand the medical mumbo jumbo, but if you're really interested, we can supply a PDF of the medical synopsis. How exactly will a Pearl campaign save me money? Sure, variable data printing is great, but consider this. Postage rates are increasing, paper costs are increasing, printing costs are on the rise. Let's face it, all of us marketeers are in the need for cost-effective way to supplement our direct mail campaigns, and that's where pearls come in. Personalized URLs are a great way to drive prospects to your website to provide them with additional information. Rather than creating a gazillion page direct mail campaign and throwing everything imaginable at your prospect, you can send a smaller package and send them to his or her own unique web page instead. Because the Pearl uses basically the same techniques as variable data printing, each web page can be completely personalized for the individual, and it won't cost you an arm and a leg. Can I incorporate a Pearl campaign with my email marketing? Sure, a Pearl campaign integrates perfectly with email marketing. Using personalized URLs in your email messages is a great way to entice your readers to click through for more information. Information which is completely customized and personalized for that particular reader. We're not talking about slapping the readers' names on web pages. We're talking about completely customizing the web pages, the messages, the graphics, and etc. It's like having one-on-one personal dialogue with your subscribers. Does a Pearl campaign require me to create a separate web page for every one of my customers? With the Pearl system, it is not necessary to create a separate web page for each one of your customers and or prospects. Just like with variable data printing, we feed the customized information into a web page template. An unlimited number of templates can be created to coordinate with your marketing campaign. Presentation services. Here are some tips for building an effective presentation. Good slides support you as a speaker and or presenter and enhance your overall presentation. Use the pitch deck as a tool during your presentation, not as a crutch to rely on as you list your items you are trying to get across in your presentation. Simplicity in slides sets the stage for more effective presentations. Remember that you are speaking to make a connection to the audience. You want to get them excited and persuade them that you have a great idea. You want to demonstrate that you are the team to execute the idea and convince them that you are someone they want to partner with and invest in. Test every statement you include in your pitch deck by asking, so what? In other words, what's my point and why does it matter? Remember to keep your message simple, short, and clear. When an investor is actively looking for new deals, he or she may see 1 or 2 presentations per day, up to 10 per week. Make your opportunity stand out and be memorable for the investor. Bottom line, the pitch deck should reinforce your words instead of just replacing them. The rule for building a presentation. When making your slides, remember the 1-7-7 rule. Have only one main idea per slide, insert a maximum of 7 lines of text, and use a maximum of 7 words per line. Keep in mind that people remember visuals more than bullet points. Consider using pictures and graphics or charts to effectively get your point across and make a more emotional connection with your audience. You can find high-quality images online. Also consider 3 elements of your presentation: your slides, notes, and handouts. The notes contain the bulk of the message for each slide and are meant to help you with your presentation. They are not to be given to your audience. Consider providing a detailed handout as a leave behind, but not a copy of your presentation. This way, you will not feel compelled to say anything as you speak, but you will ensure that the key messages get across. Social media. Same old word-of-mouth marketing. Social media has changed the way people connect, discover, and share information. But let's skip the jargon. Here's what you need to know. Social media is technology that connects people, whether it's to share content or just to chat. Social networks like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Pinterest are all places where social interactions happen, like discovering and sharing. Social media marketing is a way to use that technology to build relationships, drive repeat business, and attract new customers through friends and sharing with friends. Sound familiar? That's because social media marketing is really just word of mouth powered by technology. Set your goals. It's important that you set goals and understand what you want to achieve from your social media marketing efforts. Here are some of the main ways you can use social media to have a big impact on your business. Spread the word. Show customers and prospects who you are and what you can do for them. It's great for brand awareness. Drive sales. Give customer offers that are so good that they'll share them with their friends. Your promotions can go viral. Provide great customer service. Listen and respond to what your customers are saying about you and to you. It's a wonderful feedback loop. Keep your customers coming back. Build deeper relationships so customers will get to know, like, and trust you more. Because social media is all about discovering and sharing cool stuff, every interaction you have through social media has potential to reach many new people. That's awesome because social media will ultimately help you spread your message and attract new audiences. Social media and email marketing go great together. A report from Monetate, an e-commerce software firm, has found that email marketing is still driving more overall sales than social media efforts. But there's no need to start deleting every single social media page left and right. It's important to keep in mind that all of these channels work together, not against each other. Social media sites in general are a far more casual environment that can help build brand awareness, provide bite-sized bits of industry information, and create communities among your customers. That said, email has the advantage of directly reaching a single person. Not only that, you can use analytics to see what the person clicks and opens, which are statistics you can use to segment your list and direct different customers to personalized destinations. So if you're asking yourself the question, can't social media and email marketing just get along? The answer is a resounding yes. Segno's resource list. We have built a great resource list to help direct and or educate marketeers on the current resources that technology has to offer. Social media. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a popular networking site where alumni, business associates, and recent graduates and other professionals connect online. LinkedIn also provides great networking groups that connect you with your peers. Facebook. Facebook is no longer for just college kids who want to post their party pics. Businesses use Facebook for advertising opportunities, event promotion, discounts, and new product info. But most of all, for social networking. Xing. An account with the networking site Xing can open the doors to thousands of companies. Use a professional contact manager to organize your new friends and colleagues. And take advantage of the Business Accelerator application to find experts at the click of a button. Market yourself in a professional context and open up new sales channels. Academy. Academy prides itself on connecting business people through its online network, blog, and message board chats, as well as its premier Black Star membership program, which awards exclusive benefits. Twitter. Twitter is a social networking and microblogging site. Users send and read other users' updates known as tweets. Updates are displayed on the user's profile page and are delivered to the other users who have elected to follow tweets that interest them. Really useful if you connect to the right people such as leaders in your industry. It will give you the right idea of what their thoughts and influences are. Google+. Google+ has been described as an information network where people can share and follow interests rather than a purely social site like Facebook. Google+ allows a group of people into circles. This means you can pick and choose which content to share with different circles. It's not a new idea. We've always had different relationships with family, close friends, and work colleagues. Google+ just allows us to do it online. The default circles are family, friends, acquaintances, and following, and can be renamed at any time. Email marketing. Constant Contact. Constant Contact is an online email marketing service that allows businesses to stay connected to their customers via email, surveys, and event marketing. This service can send thousands of emails at one time and maintain support status. MailChimp. MailChimp is a simple email marketing software which gives you a number of easy options for designing and sending and saving templates of your emails. The number of feasible options and the easy-to-use interface set MailChimp apart from other software, and this can be seen with the number of users that use this software going well over 1 million users. ExactTarget. ExactTarget gives business-to-business marketeers the ability to harness the power of one-to-one communications to nurture leads, engage prospects, and improve customer relationships. ExactTarget supports the backbone of your business-to-business marketing strategy with the ability to automate emails, processes, and programs, from lead nurturing campaigns to welcome emails with ease. iContact. iContact allows customers to create, track, and send emails and social media messages. It provides you with the tools you will need whether you know everything about email marketing and HTML or you're just starting to design campaigns for the internet and have no web design experience. Online workgroups. Wigio. Originally designed for students, Wigio allows business staffs to collaborate on group projects by providing a toolkit to keep track of meetings, share documents, and easily contact group members. Teamwork PM. Teamwork Project Manager is an easy-to-use online teamwork and project management software application that helps managers, staff, and clients work together more productively online. GroupTable. GroupTable is also an easy-to-use collaboration software that helps you manage group projects, study groups, and all other groups of your life. Pearl Marketing. EasyPearl. EasyPearl.com is a leading provider of cross-channel marketing software and services. The online solutions provider for personalized URLs, landing pages, email marketing, and postal mail tracking with intelligent mail barcodes. Pearlum. Pearlum is a personalized landing page and marketing service provider. It was born out of frustration with the cost and complexity involved in Perl development. Pearlum has taken more barriers out of Perl creation and maintenance. Presentation tools. Prezi. Prezi is a cloud-based presentation software that opens up a new world between whiteboards and slides. The zoomable canvas makes it fun to explore ideas and the connections between them. The result, a visually captivating presentation that can lead your audience down the path of discovery. SlideRocket. SlideRocket is a software as a service tool that allows users to design, maintain, and share feature-rich web presentations. SlideRocket provides all the functionality, features, and capabilities of a presentation development tool, but is completely accessed and hosted on the provider's remote cloud infrastructure. Zoho Show. Zoho Show is another cloud-based presentation tool provided in the Zoho Docs online program. Zoho Docs offers many features and is very popular in the business world. Selfolio. Selfolio is a very intuitive program that walks users step by step through the process of creating attractive Flash-based presentations that mirror web design and programming. People who want a sleek and professional-looking finished product but don't have a lot of design know-how will find Selfolio a powerful tool. PowerPoint. PowerPoint is a presentation graphic software tool. It provides users the easy ability to create professional-looking presentations. PowerPoint provides editing, outlining, drawing, graphing, and presentation management functions in one convenient software package. Skype. Skype is an IP telephony service provider that offers free calling between subscribers and low-cost calling to people who don't use the service. In addition to standard telephone calls, Skype enables file transfers, texting, video chat, screen sharing, and video conferencing. The service is available for desktop computers, notebook and tablet computers, and other mobile devices, including mobile phones. The screen sharing feature is a great way to give demos and/or presentations. GoToMeeting. GoToMeeting is a web-hosted service created and marketed by Citrix Online, a division of the Citrix Systems. It is a remote meeting, desktop sharing, and video conferencing software that enables the user to meet with other computer users, customers, clients, colleagues via the internet in real time. WebEx. WebEx lets you have online meetings with anyone with an internet connection, including mobile users. You will be connected via audio and can share content from your computer, which lets you see the same things at the same time, like PowerPoint files, Word documents, or even browse the web together. Within the meeting, you can pass the ball so that any attendee can take control of the meeting and share. WebEx can help any small business, teleworker, or home user conduct their business meetings more professionally and efficiently. Google Talk. Google Talk is a service used to send instant messages, much like AOL, Microsoft Windows Live, or Yahoo Messenger. Although Google Talk started as a simplified messaging service, you can now send files through your chat windows and place free calls between computers. It also has voicemail emoticons and allows audio-video conferencing. QR readers. Google Goggles. Google Goggles is a computer imaging processing technology from Google that leverages Google's reputation for search and innovation. Google Goggles can identify some visual clues or landmarks in an image and generate relevant searches. This technology can also recognize barcodes and even some kinds of text in a photo, such as printed text on a captured page. This program can provide information about a photo taken with a handheld device and has been useful in various commercial and educational projects. QR reader for the iPhone. One of the most efficient readers for the iPhone, it does exactly what the name suggests and plain and simply just reads QR codes. QR Code Scanner Pro for Windows. With Scanner Pro, you can read the information contained in barcodes and QR codes. This app is quick and easy to use. After reading the code, the app can perform different types of search. This concludes our presentation, and if you are interested in the resource list provided in this presentation, please email info@segnoweb.com to receive a PDF with links to each tool. We will now open up the presentation for questions. Again, we at Segno Marketing thank you very much for your time, and hopefully we'll get to see you in future meetings. Any questions?